Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox if it's not working on your PlayStation 5. So the first thing you want to do is go up to the top and go to settings right here. Scroll on down to users and accounts and go to where it says other and then go to restore licenses and then select Roblox under here. So if you ever have a problem with any kind of game not launching, just go to restore license for that game and it will specifically say if you have problems downloading stuff from the PlayStation Store or starting it, just do this. So this might take about 2 to 3 minutes to complete, and then we can back out of here, and then we can try launching the game and see if it actually works now. Now, another thing that we want to try is switching our DNS server. So let's go back up to the top, go to settings, go to network right here. Scroll on down to settings, go to setup internet connection. Then go to our currently connected internet, press options on it, and then go to advanced setting and go to the DNS server, switch this to manual, and type in 8.8.8.8 for the primary, and scroll on down to the secondary and type in 8.8.4.4. And hopefully just doing this will actually get Roblox to work on your PlayStation 5. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.